really bad because I'm in my car and I don't have my camera. I just have my phone. But we are at the mall. Got a shake from Cold Stone. We were gonna get ice cream, but I kind of got lazy to like hold it, so I just kind of like got a shake. It's so cute because the sizes are, it doesn't go like regular or anything. No, it's like like it or I love it. It's so funny. I've only gone to like Cold Stone like twice, to be honest. I'm not really like a fan, but this shake is pretty dang. It's the Oreos and cookies. I can't breathe, so my nose is like stuffed and like I could only breathe through my mouth, and since I'm talking it's hard. Woo! It's like a workout to talk and breathe. Yeah, I missed vlogging, to be honest. The only reason why I feel like I kept up with it is because like it's like memories, you know, like pictures, except you can like watch it anytime and like everyone has access to it, like all your friends and stuff. So I feel like that's why I really miss vlogging, because like you can just always go back and like look at your memories and stuff. But yeah, I didn't want to get off. My boyfriend went to go pay his card at RC Willie's, so we're chilling here in the parking lot. And I'm talking to you guys. I hope no one's watching, because that's like the awkwardest thing ever when you're like vlogging in the car and like everyone's just watching. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because the music was so loud. I am so sorry. I didn't even realize. Damn, I fucked up. So I'm back home. Look at her. Hi. Hello. Don't get on the bed. You're probably wet. Hey. Hi.
From what, Jim?
Hi.
Yeah, I was doing the weightlifting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Give me paw. Can you give me paw? Give me paw. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. No. I guess. Oh, hello, cutie. Oh, wow. Who are you? Wow. Hi. You want to be on camera too? Anyways, yeah, so I'm back home. Guys, look at this. How cute is this bottle? I think I got it from Walmart, to be honest, but oh, it's so cute. I love marble. What is it? What is it?
The one with your friend threw up.
Oh, throw it away.
What?
His cousin?
Yeah, no, that's her explained it to me. That's my cousin.
Yeah, that's his cousin.
Did you see him? No.
Some Cold Stone. It's his cousin.
We just throw this away though, yeah?
It is broken, right? He goes, hey, I'm sorry, I threw up. I was like, dude, you're good. He's like, but it was your fault though. Like, you made me drink. You got me drunk. You can just leave him here. Leave him by the, yeah. This one's gonna get fucked up.
What?
The wall.
Wait, so what number am I? I thought we were starting over.
Yes, we did.
You just picked it up and set it in there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down. I thought you were gonna like redo all this.
Oh no, you're 11 through 15. He's 6 through 10. I'm 1 through 5.
I'm 11 to 15, please.
The game is legit almost done. So we're playing numbers. I'm 1 through 5, so I only have this spot left. And then, so yeah, they also have one each.
My turn?
Yeah.
We all have one thing over?
Yeah. Navi. So you're like, no one's here.
Tell your brother's door, yeah?
I got it.
You're up too. He's like, boom. Boom, man.
Yeah. We just got some food. Shout out to Babe. We kind of cleaned the fish tank. Babe, it looks clean like this. No, it doesn't. You want some pizza? Look at just watch this. Really? I wasn't even recording. Look, okay, watch his ears. You want some pizza? Mamas, you want some pizza?
Oh, he also gave me a thing for a free large pizza.
Really?
Okay, give it to you.
Hey, you want some pizza?
Here.
It says your delivery took too long to arrive. Let us make it up to you. And so I printed out a free large pizza.
I know, and it wasn't even.
It wasn't even
like
20 minutes. And it said the delivery was gonna be like 70 to 80 minutes. That's so funny. It expires February 17th on my birthday.
Not even. I was like, you don't even know your birthday.
Wait, who won? You won?
Yeah.
Ah, you fucker. Alright, well, we're losers,
so
obviously.
You guys got shot.
Alright, guys, well, I think that is
Is
the
there a
end
team
of
with
this
eight?
vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching.